As we can see in that video, how I was unable to get the exact amount entered by me in the ATM. This happens with a lot of people around the world. They then have to file a complaint to the bank via various sources, which is a tedious task, as it creates confusion for the employees of the bank to sort out the data of each and every transaction made by the customer.
Now we will be consolidating the claims in one transaction where it is easy for the managers to see all the claims together. For that, we'll enter the month through data validation. Time will be also entered when the transaction took place. We will also enter the name of the client along with their account ID. The type of card they used, whether it was MasterCard, Visa, and the transaction ID of the transaction. The intended amount of withdrawal will also be added, and through macro, we will save the data. The saved data will be directly added towards the end, and we can see all the claims together, which will help the manager see all the claims instead of seeing unnecessary transactions.
Now, moving to the solution part of how the data can be presented in front of the managers. For the same, we have created firstly the front page, which is the link of all the transaction sheets that we have created. Next, moving to the dashboard, which will give a better understanding of the data. If you see, we have three graphs respectively: monthly intended withdrawn amount, monthly wise actual cash withdrawn, monthly wise discrepanted amount. And next to that, we have added a slicer for the card type and months. For example, if we have to check for the Visa card, we'll click on Visa and the graph will change accordingly. Now, if we have to check month wise, for example, I am checking for September month, we'll just click to September month and the graph will change accordingly. By this, it will give a accessibility to the manager to check the discrepancy.